How to fix your account cannot be created at this time, Apple ID. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix your account cannot be created issue with your Apple ID. If you're encountering the your account cannot be created at this time error when trying to create Apple ID, it could be due to several reasons. So first of all, what I want you all to do is check Apple system status. So you could visit the Apple system status page to see if there are any unknown outages or issues with an Apple ID. If there is an outage, wait for it to be resolved before trying it again. You could also try using a different device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your device or a more general problem as well. Likewise, you also ensure your device and any relevant apps or Apple apps are up to date to a latest software version. Sometimes outdated software can cause issues or compatibility issues as well. The other most important steps is to check your internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then it could be one of the reasons. You could also try using a different email address, see whether that will be able to fix your issue or not. However, what you could do is, as for the last alternative, you could try creating a new Apple ID and see whether that will be able to solve the issue or not. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, then you simply want to go ahead and contact Apple support and let them know about it, and they will be able to look into your matter. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.